Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's all about understanding those subtle yet powerful signals women give off when they're feeling turned on. We're talking about the signs that suggest she's wet. And let's be real, guys, being able to read these signs can help you create deeper connections and better experiences. Now, remember, understanding these signs is important, but it's equally crucial to always prioritize communication and consent. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. 1. The power of eye contact. Number 1 on our list is all about the eyes. Eye contact is a major giveaway. When a girl is turned on, her eyes will tell you a lot more than her words. She might lock eyes with you for longer than usual, and her pupils might dilate. This is because when someone is aroused, their sympathetic nervous system kicks in, and it causes physiological responses like pupil dilation. Plus, she might give you that slow, seductive gaze that makes your heart race. Pay attention to how she looks at you. If she's holding that gaze and her eyes are wandering over your face and lips, it's a pretty clear sign she's feeling more than just friendly vibes. However, always respect personal space and understand the context. Eye contact alone isn't a green light. So guys, if she's giving you those eyes, it might be time to lean in a bit and see if the vibe is mutual. 2. The licking or biting of lips. Next up, we've got another classic sign that's almost universal when it comes to attraction: lip licking or biting. When a woman is turned on, her body naturally reacts. Her lips might get a little dry, and you'll often see her licking them more often or even gently biting her bottom lip. This isn't always a conscious move. Sometimes it's just a natural response to her body's heightened state of arousal. Don't mistake this for just a regular nervous habit. Combine this with some other signals, like her body leaning closer to you or playing with her hair, and you're probably onto something. It's all about reading the room and seeing how these signs work together. Again, it's essential to combine these cues with clear verbal communication. Just because she's licking her lips doesn't mean she's giving the green light for anything more. Always check in and make sure you're both on the same page. 3. The subtle touches and proximity clues. Third on the list is all about touch and proximity. If she's finding ways to touch you, even subtly, that's a strong indicator she's feeling that chemistry. Maybe she accidentally brushes her arm against yours, or she touches your hand when she laughs at a joke. Physical contact, no matter how small, can be a huge sign of arousal. These touches aren't always accidental. They can be her way of testing the waters to see how you respond. If she's leaning in closer, touching your arm, or finding excuses to break that personal bubble, she's probably feeling it. But don't just jump in. Remember to reciprocate in a way that's comfortable and respectful for both of you. Physical proximity matters too. If she's always positioning herself closer to you, leaning in during conversations, or mirroring your body language, that's her nonverbal way of saying she's comfortable and attracted. 4. Heavy breathing and changes in voice tone. Now let's talk about something that's a bit more subtle but incredibly telling: changes in her breathing and voice. When a woman is aroused, her breathing often becomes a bit quicker and deeper. You might notice her chest rising and falling more than usual. It's the body's way of taking in more oxygen when things are heating up. Another clue is in her voice. If she's speaking in a lower, softer tone, or if her voice sounds breathier than normal, it's a pretty strong sign that she's feeling the moment. This is the kind of detail that's easy to miss if you're not paying attention. So keep your ears open. But remember folks, context is key. A softer voice or heavier breathing doesn't always mean arousal. She could be tired or just naturally have a different vocal tone. Always be mindful and look for a combination of signs before making any assumptions. 5. The telltale blush and flushed skin. Finally, let's talk about one of the most noticeable signs: blushing and flushed skin. When a woman is turned on, her body undergoes a number of physiological changes, and increased blood flow is one of them. This can cause her cheeks, chest, or neck to get a bit redder or warmer. If you're seeing that beautiful blush combined with other signs, it's probably safe to say that she's feeling pretty good in your company. The chest area might get a little flushed too, which is another clue to look out for. But, as always, never jump to conclusions. Context matters. And there you have it, folks, the 5 signs to look out for when trying to gauge if she's really into the moment. But here's the kicker. These signs are not a surefire way to determine consent or readiness for anything more intimate. Always prioritize open and honest communication. Conclusion. The key takeaway on respect and consent. To wrap things up, it's important to understand that while these signs can help you get a sense of someone's interest or arousal, they are not definitive. Everyone expresses themselves differently. And what's more important than reading signs is ensuring that you're both on the same page. Be confident, but also be considerate. Ask questions, have those conversations, and always respect boundaries. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts. We love hearing from you all. Until next time, stay respectful, stay curious, and keep building those meaningful connections. Take care.